Yeah, so this is what our customers are really interested in. So the second advantage of this liquid fuel or molten salt in fuel bin concept is we can tolerate, it's a very versatile fuel. So we can tolerate a lot in the fuel and the reactor will still operate safely. So what we do is we can take the existing waste used fuel that's currently stored at the reactor sites all around the world. We can process that in a fuel recycling facility and then reuse it in our reactor again. And so instead of putting that radioactive fuel in the ground where it'll be radioactive for 300,000 years, we can create more clean energy and reduce that waste. We're all familiar with Einstein's equation, E equals mc squared. Most of us don't know what it means. What it means is a little bit of matter can turn into a lot of energy. And that's what happens in this reaction. You're using that small amount of radioactive waste. And because the reactor is configured specifically to do this, we can literally convert that to energy. And instead of having long lived waste at the end, we've got shorter, it's called intermediate level, low level waste products at the end. So from what is like, let's say there's 100 tons of that high level waste, we can turn 95 tons of it into intermediate level waste. It's basically the same radiation levels as uranium as it comes out of the ground. So we're really purifying that used fuel, extracting out the small amount of long lived waste products in there and using them as fuel.